Let's take a look at question 5. There are 33 children in a class. Each of them likes computer studies or physical education. 3 children like both subjects. There are twice as many children who like only computer studies as those who like only PE. How many children like computer studies? So in this question, we have 2 different groups, 2 different subjects, computer science and physical education. So we can write them down as CS and PE. So we have some relationship between these 2 groups. What we can do is to draw a Venn diagram to help us sort some information and find the difference and similarities. The first is computer science. So we can use blue circle to stand for the students in computers like computer science, and the other green group to stand for the students who like PE. And after that, we are going to label some data on the Venn diagram. So we have some numbers. The first is 33 children. So we know that are the total amount of children in the class. So the total should be 33. We put it at the bottom. And also we know there are 3 children like both subjects. So for both subjects, we were going to put it in the overlapped part, 3. And then there is a very long sentence. There are twice as many children who like only computer studies as those who like only PE. Well, so here we have 2 parts to compare with. The first are the children who only like computer studies and those who only like PE. So let's try to find these 2 parts first. So we know that if you are trying to find a Venn diagram, the only part that will always be the moon shape. So for the students who only like computer science, that will be the moon shape on the left. And for those only like PE, that will be those who on the right. Okay, but here we do not have the number. We only have a relationship between them. Twice as many children who only like computer studies as those who like PE. So who is 1 part? Who is 2 parts? Well, PE is the smaller amount, right? So we will consider the smaller amount as 1 part. What shall I represent for 1 part? I just use 1 star to stand for the students who only like PE, and that is 1 part. Then how many stars should I draw for computer science? Since it is twice as many children as those, then we should draw 2 stars on the left. Well, so this time, is it possible for us to find what is 1 part? Let's take a look of the 33 and the 3. The 2 parts we already know. If we take away the 3 from the 33, we will find we have 30 left over. So what is a 30? That will be the moon shape on the left plus the moon shape on the right. Well, to figure out the total, we would have moon shape on the left plus the overlap plus moon shape on the right. This is one way to figure out the total. So we take away the overlap part. That will be 30, which is moon shape on the left plus moon shape on the right. And then we know every star stands for the same number. So what can we know here is 3 star equals 30. So 1 star is 30 divided by 3 equals 10. Well, we will know that there are 10 students only like PE. There are 20 students who only like computer science. But is 20 the final answer? Take a look at the question. It wants us to find how many children like computer studies, but we will find 20 is the students who only like computer science. Do not forget, there are another 3 in the overlapped part. So lastly, we should add the 3 equals 23. So that should be the whole blue circle. Okay, so the answer should be